Hi, this is Nico from Roland, and today I'm going to show you a very important feature when you do hybrid events. Many times when you do hybrid events, on the room you have projectors and LED screens or flat screens to show the contents to the people present on the room. But nowadays everybody is asking to stream that content on internet. The challenge is that many times those rooms are not ready to do a very good streaming, and the bandwidth and the internet connection we have is not good enough to use the same quality we use in the room through the internet. One of the benefits of having a VR-50HD Mark II, for example, is that you have different scalers and you can choose different resolutions to do the room and the streaming. Let's have a look. First thing we have to do is to check the resolution we have on the physical outputs. For that we go to Menu, Video Output, and we can check on this screen that we are going out in 1080p. This is the resolution we have on the HDMI and SDI outputs on the back of the VR-50HD. If we want to check the resolution on the USB 3.0, we have to go to the second page of the menu and we have a USB streaming option here. We can check now that we are using the USB 3.0 in 1080p. Perhaps the quality of the internet we have in the venue or in the hotel or wherever we are doing the production is not enough to handle 1080p and 50Hz. So we can decrease the resolution of the streaming without affecting the resolution on the physical outputs we are using on the event. Even if 720 is not enough, we can go down to 576p, and also we can decrease the frame rate to 25 Hz. Also in this screen we can check the video bus we are going to send you to the USB 3.0, can be program or auxiliary bus, and also we can check the audio bus we will send to the USB 3.0 and apply a delay if we have problems between lip synchronization between audio and video. Also here on the bottom left part of the window, it gives to us information about how good is the connection we have between the USB 3.0 and our computer. You can see that we are using today a USB 3.0 and we are not dropping frames. If this number starts to increase, we have problems, or the computer can cope with the transfers of information, or we need to check the connection cable we are using that day. You have this function present on the VR-50HD Mark II or the VR-1HD. It's one of the benefits of having an all-in-one solution already thought to be being used in hybrid events. If you have any questions, put it on the comments and we will solve them as soon as we can. Thank you for watching.